So here you can see the difference in how thick the ventricular walls are. So if I put a pin in this chamber, for example, and I ask you, what chamber am I in? You would say the left ventricle, because you would know by how thick the wall is. If I put a pin in this side or here, and I say, what chamber am I in? You would say the right ventricle. Look at how thin the wall is. Okay? All right. So most of our valve structure is intact over here on this side of the cut. So that's what we'll look at first. So here we have the chordae tendineae. That's what these little strings are right here. And they're inserted into this muscle that's bulging from the ventricular wall, and that's the papillary muscle. And then you see the valve flaps up here, these pieces of tissue, okay? So there are two of them. So this one is intact, but the one on the other side got cut when we were opening this up. And so here are the chordae tendineae from the other side. So they just got cut off, okay? All right, so up above the flap is where the left atrium is. So I'm just going to make a cut up through here to expose this a little bit better and open this up so you can see up in there. Okay, so now you can see more of the valve flap here and here, the chordae tendineae, and again the papillary muscle. And then above this is atrium. But I also cut into the auricle. See the auricle here and here? All right, so look at the muscle inside the auricle. See that one? That is pectinate muscle. All right, so you have pectinate, it's just part of the structure. So you have pectinate muscle in the auricle. You have the valve flaps, you have the chordae tendineae, and then you have papillary muscle that the chordae tendineae are attached to. And then down here, these ridges of muscle that you see, those are the trabeculae. Okay? All right, now structurally, the right side is the same. So here we have the right ventricle, and then we can see the back of the valve here. So I'm going to cut up through here to expose this right side a little bit better for you. Okay. All right, so here we are, and we can see there. Okay, so now we can tell that we have three flaps on this side. Here's one lying against the wall here. Here's another flap here, and here's the third one over here. You can see the chordae tendineae again. Okay, so here are our chordae tendineae, here, here, here. And then they're inserted into these little papillary muscles here. From here up is atrium. So this is the right atrium here. And then if we cut through, where's our, to cut up through, yeah, yeah, that's why it's named tri, because there are three parts to it. Okay, so here we expose more of the atrium and the auricle. Now, see these ridges of muscles here in the auricle? Those are pectinate muscles in the right auricle. Okay? Yeah. Okay. And let me see. That's intact. Okay. This opening that you see right here, that's the aorta. And if you look down in there, you can see these little cups here, here, and there's another one over here. Those little cups inside there are the semilunar valves. Okay? All right. Okay, so when you put this away, you want to have it together like this when you wrap it up in your paper towel.
Okay. Thank you.